Guys, it's Bryce here again, and last time out, you saw that we lost. At the end of that, I was really sad, so so I decided to, you know what, I decided to start game prep. I don't know if that's me, but I just decided to do game prep. And I like the in-game drill. And so I am going to be doing let's do the Oklahoma defense drill. You're going to see it. Oklahoma defense drill. And, you know what, let's get started. Obviously we're going to be the only one doing this activity. So, let's start. I did not want to lose another game 9-0. And I'm only going to show you a few clips, and so just sit back and enjoy this video. Alrighty, I feel like I did good on that practice, so without further ado, let's just get into this game. Yeah. Alrighty, so we are in the first possession, and let's see what we can get done on this first possession. Oh, and on the first play, all of us are in a gang sack or a gang tackle. Which is pretty cool. I like that. How on the first play we can all get together and sack Sam Bradford together. Second play, let's see what we can get done here. Another play. I think I helped on that assisted tackle. Right hand corner. There you go. As I get DeMarco Murray for a loss of 1. It looks like 3 to me. Yep, loss of 3. And as I help with the assisted tackle, as you can see there, I don't think, okay, so they do single someone out, but I still think that I got that assisted tackle. As I try to go through, it looks like McLean and Barbie with my head, I fall down and I cannot get dance balls. As I think I tackled Darren Sproles, well, I did tackle him, and that is a solo tackle on my part, I think. Yep, Blizzard Peppermint, 2 tackles. So that's good. And next play. I had DeMarco Murray, but I could not get to him. But the good part about this is that we are stopping the run game, even though it wasn't me with the tackle. But it's a good thing that we're stopping the run game. First and 10, after goal, nothing happens. there. What a play. Oh yeah! Another sack for Blizzard Peppermint. Oh yes! Oh yes! Finally! I finally get 2 sacks or another sack. So I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy. No boy! No! No, 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 no. Why? From Dan Bailey. Oh yes. We end the 1-0 streak from the Eagles, but we get our first win this season. Yes. All right. And that looks like it's gonna. I think this video is gonna hit its end point. Make sure you smash that like button and let me know about anything you want me to do, anything I should work on in the comments down below. Alrighty. See you guys.